What's up, y'all? My name is Stacy. Introducing myself real quick. Quick video about how to add lock sprinkles to your locks. As you can see, I have several that I've already added and I freaking love it. I found out about lock sprinkles sometime last year and I said, let me try it, and it worked just fine for me. I think it's really easy to do. A lot of women I see in the threads saying that it's kind of hard. They don't have the patience to do it. Not sure why, but it's easy. It's really affordable. There's nothing pretty much to it. Like, you can get the beads from any arts and crafts store. I get them from Walmart. I've got them from Hobby Lobby. You can go to Joann's, Michael's, what's the AC Moore, I believe, Etsy online, Amazon. Matter of fact, I have several that I've picked up from different places. I have glow in the dark beads, and I'm all into like the peacock feather look, the colors and for peacock. So that's where pretty much why I have these colors. But I have a little gold and the glow in the dark ones as well. But like I said, it's really easy to do. I'm going to show you real quick. Usually when I pick my locks, I pick the thickest ones to add the lock sprinkles to. So let me see. I'm going to find one. I think I'm going to do this one. So I went on YouTube and found out to make sure I was doing it correctly. And I see that a lot of women do like the beads, you know, one bead at the end. But I saw one woman, she had going up her lock, and I really like that. So I add as many beads as I want. But real quick, I'm gonna show you how it's done. You choose your lock, you have your needle. You can get any needle. You have your thread. Make sure that your thread pretty much matches the color of your lock. You tie a knot at the end of your thread, because that's where the lock, that's where the thread is going to end on the lock, and that's where it's going to hold the bead, and you keep threading. You don't have to know how to thread pretty much. It's in and out, in and out, in and out. And as you're in and out, you're adding a bead. You adding one bead, you adding two beads. I add 3 beads to one thread, like going in and out. I'm gonna show you, but here's my beads. And for the sake of the video, I'm just doing some glow in the dark ones real quick. So I have my beads, and to show you that it's so easy, I'm gonna do 2 beads for the first thread. So I'm gonna thread my beads onto my needle. Okay, and it's gonna go down to the end. Okay, now here's my lock. I'm gonna start at the end of my lock, and I'm gonna add the thread. So go through the lock with the needle, come out at the end, there's my bead. What I'm gonna do next, go through right, add some more beads, and add 2 more, let it drop, is onto my lock, and I'm gonna thread it into my lock, so it's weaving in and out, in and out. So take the needle, thread it, it's attached to my lock. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna add 2 more on the needle, let it drop. There's the beads to my lock. Take the needle, go through the lock, make sure you can see it. Do it again, add more beads. I'm just add 1. Let it drop. thread it through my lock. And that's it. So I have Loc Sprinkles added to my lock. And like I'll add different colors and all sorts of number of beads at a time. And I'll just keep going until I get tired, pretty much. I have some that's all the way to the mid part of my lock. Some lower, just to add, you know, a sense of style to what I'm doing. But once again, thread the needle or bead the needle with how many locks I want to add. Let it drop. Here's the thread, here's the beads. And I take the needle, go through the lock to thread it. So then let's just say that's all I wanted to do, which I am. One thing as far as securing it, I'll go through the lock again. Go through it again. Till I feel like it's secure. And I'll cut the rest of it. Hold on. Cut the rest of it, cut the thread like that. That's the excess thread. And there I have it. That is my threaded lock with my Loc Sprinkles. And this is a glow in dark one. So when I go to sleep or in dark, you'll see my locks glow from the beads. So that's pretty much it. So as you can see, like I said, I have several that I have already added. To my locks, and like I said, it's really easy, you guys. I love it. I might add some more later on, but yeah, that's it. That is it. So if you have any questions or want me to do it again, it's not clear enough, which I think it is pretty much for the most part. It's like I said, it's really easy. It's really easy. It's not, it can be time consuming depending on how many you want to do. I did not do this in all one sitting. I did maybe 4 or 5 locks and added some as I went. I got tired. I'll come back another day to add some more. But this is what I've done so far. And I mean, when you style your hair, you know, your Loc Sprinkles are just showing. Like, I love it. I love it. And once again, like I said, you can get these beads anywhere. Walmart, Etsy, Hobby Lobby. These are I'm dropping them. These are glass beads. They're not expensive, but like I said, you can get them anywhere pretty much. And I just bought a little container just to keep mine in. But that is it, you guys. So hopefully this video was helpful in adding your Loc Sprinkles. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Peace out. Bye.